What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to do a kind of affiliate marketing for beginners style video and really get you to understand the number one rule that you must follow. It's 2019. Okay, the tactics that worked in 2010 are not going to work today, so I want to show you the number one rule you must follow if you want to be successful. So before I get into that, I first just want to say affiliate marketing is a business anybody can do. You do not need to have a background in marketing. You don't need to have experience with social media and running ads on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. You don't need it. There's other ways to make money with affiliate marketing. And I want to show you what the number one rule is that you must follow. So let's jump into it. Okay, so what is the rule? Well, the rule is you need to collect, okay? You need to collect, let me make this a little bit bigger. You need to collect, okay? Collect some type of contact, okay? I'm just write C-O-N-T, okay? That stands for contact. Anyway, you need to collect some type of contact information for the person that you are trying to target. For example, let me give you an example really. So about a month and a half ago, maybe a little bit longer than that, you know, time flies by for me anyway, but I was promoting melatonin. I was promoting, this is the exact product I was promoting. You can actually pick this up at Costco, I believe, right now. So anyway, I was promoting this, and what I was doing is I created a website. So I had a simple website that would talk about how to get a better night's sleep. And I talked about making sure your body's hydrated, getting a workout in throughout the day, making sure you don't eat, you know, like a few hours before you go to sleep. Have a little glass of water before you go to bed. Just kind of calms you down. And the magic right here is taking a melatonin pill. Now this is 10 milligrams. This is actually what I take because I struggle to fall asleep. But they have, I think, in 2 milligrams and even in 5. Okay, and I get 10. Okay. Anyway, so what I was doing was I was getting people into the habit of doing all these little things, which was a free guide. But then at the end of the free guide, I talked about a secret little pill, okay, which actually tastes pretty good. I think this is a strawberry flavor. Incredible. Anyway, but I talked about how this little pill, okay, will actually help you fall asleep, give you a good night's rest, okay, and I talked about this in conjunction with another course. Well, I don't just go and hammer the course down people's throat and say, go buy this pill, it's the best thing in the world. What I do is I collect their email address first, all right? So you collect their email address. Okay, so here's my website. Now it doesn't look exactly like this, but there's some writing up here. There's little things over here. Okay, there's a video right here talking about, and it's a lady, I think, talking about getting a better night's sleep. There's a video, and then right down here, there's a button that they can put in their email address. Okay, gives them a little pop-up. So the number one rule that you must follow in 2019 is collect their contact information. You have to do this. If you don't do this, you're going to struggle, because if somebody lands on the page to buy this product and they decide, oh, I don't have my debit card, how am I supposed to buy it? Well, then you lose them forever. But if you get their email address and then you send them an email number 1, and oh, I don't have my debit card, I can't buy this. Don't worry, I'm going to send you an email tomorrow. Hopefully you have your debit card then. Okay, so the best part about collecting their contact information or their email address, okay, and there's a bunch of stuff down here, okay, and there you go. Okay, the best part about this is you can go and send them, after they opt in, to a thank you page. Okay, so this is my thank you page. TY. For all you scholars out there, that stands for thank you. Anyway, so that's my thank you page. And one of the things I would do here is I'd give them a little list of things to do. There'd be pictures too, but it would be a list of stuff, okay? And so these just some little sentences right here. So the first thing to do, step number 1, to get a better night's sleep. Step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. I'm trying to write this with a mouse. Bad idea. Anyway, okay? And so it'd go look something like this, okay? That's my thank you page. And I talked over here about, you know, congrats, congratulations. I don't remember exactly what I put. Congrats. and then have a bunch of stuff. Anyway, why I congratulating them on, for one, getting a better night's sleep starting now, starting tonight. And follow step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, all just giving value, okay? It's all about giving value, just like I do here on video. You're probably here watching this, but even right now, okay, was it 5 minutes into the video? You're continue to watch because I give value. I'm not saying, hey, go buy my affiliate marketing course. I'm not doing that. Yeah, if you want to go buy it, okay? Great. But I'm not doing that yet, okay? I'm not doing that right now because I want to give value first, and that's exactly what you need to do. Once you collect their contact information, their email address, you have them on a Facebook Messenger bot, whatever it is, okay? You collect that. So now you have the information to send them a repeat offer, to send them another email, to be on an email list where maybe every other day you're getting in front of them, which means you have a higher chance of making a sale, because once they land on thank you page and they follow step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, again, I'm talking about my page for selling melatonin, okay? Once they do that, maybe they just go right back to what they're doing. Okay, great. But what they don't realize is they're going to be on an email list right here, okay? Email list, okay? Email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, okay? And it seriously will go on and on and on. And I will, give value here, okay? Value. Then maybe I'll do value plus a little sales pitch, okay? And doing more value here. Value, that's not how you spell value, plus maybe a new YouTube video. Maybe a new YouTube video talks about how to get a better night's sleep. Some of the different exercises I recommend you do, about 4 hours before your bedtime. And then after that, maybe have a little bit of have dinner, maybe have a little snack, something like that. And then drink a little bit of water before you actually lay down. And then, kind of give them more value. Then email 4, maybe we'll do more value. Again, that's not how you spell value. Maybe it's just value, nothing else. Just giving them more value, or maybe I'll do value plus another sales pitch, okay? Hopefully you can see that anyway. So value plus another sales pitch. That's all you have to do, but all this stems off of this email list, okay? This thank you page, this landing page, all this stuff stems off of you collecting their contact information, which is why that is the number one thing you must do. It's the number one rule, is collect that contact information first, okay? So let me just explain something. You probably have seen multiple videos of mine. Maybe this is the first one, don't know. But if this is your first time here, make sure you click the subscribe button and also click that notification bell so the next time I upload a video, you don't miss it. So one of the things you're going to notice is in some of my videos, inside the descriptions, inside the comments, I'm not just pushing, the free offers, the things that, I say, okay, go get this free guide here, or go learn affiliate marketing here. If you want to learn, there's a free affiliate marketing course. You can go check it out in the description box below if you want it. Anyway, but that's all you're going to see. And you're not going to see that in every single video. Some videos I'm just saying, hey, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other videos I'm pushing courses, and I blatantly put the course link in the description to, for example, my affiliate marketing on YouTube course, $1,000 in 45 days. That'll be like the third or fourth link down in the description box. But sometimes I just purposely put a link to just go straight to the course. And the reason I do that is because I don't want to be so, it's so easy, so, I do this every single time, okay? It's almost like I have to put a link to some type of email opt-in, some type of landing page. I don't do that every time. And I do that to be a little bit unique, a little bit different. And that's what you need to understand. If you do a YouTube video a day, doing something where all you're doing is sending people to some type of landing page where they're putting their email address and their name, and then you send them all this information, it gets tiring. People don't like it, okay? But if you're doing a video, once a week, a couple times a week, it's okay. You'd be perfectly fine. Just understand the reason I don't do it is because I do between 5 to 7 videos every single week. on this channel alone. Because of that, I don't want you guys to be overwhelmed with all these links and all these emails, so that's why I mix it up. But if you're just starting out, you're a beginner doing affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you send all your traffic to some type of capture page, some type of lead magnet, so that you can collect their email address, collect their information, and then you send them information that way. Now, I understand if you're new to affiliate marketing and you just want to put your affiliate link inside your description box. Sometimes it's perfectly fine. For example, if I did a review of this product, which I haven't done yet, but if I did an actual review, there'd be two things I'd do. The first link I would put in the description box for a YouTube video is the first link would be to this exact product, and it would be over on Amazon. Okay. The second link would be a link to get my free guide on how to have a better night's sleep. That's it. Okay. And I'd give a little bit of information after that, but that's it. 2 links and I'm done. Because the first one, I want them to go buy this product. If they go buy this product first, great. They never have to read the stuff inside my actual guide. But the stuff inside the guide will help them in conjunction with the pill, with the little melatonin pill. Plus, they can also purchase another guide, which is over on ClickBank, which I'd make a little bit more money there as well. So you gotta understand there is a plan, there is a process, and if you follow it, you will be successful. So, if you guys have any questions on how to make money doing affiliate marketing, let me know. I know you probably have a bunch of questions on affiliate marketing. Maybe you're just starting out or you haven't found any success. Let me know what your questions are. If you want to go check out my affiliate marketing on YouTube course, it's right now I think it's $33. Go check it out. The link will be down in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.